Hi, I'm Ishwar. I'm a master's student from University of Massachusetts, and I work with Professor Michael Zink. Our project name is Virtual Computer Networks Lab. Our main focus is to develop educational course modules that can be used by professors to teach networking in his class. So we have developed like different course modules with varying degrees of complexity, right from easy to difficult. So for this purpose, we use Trema, a Ruby-based controller, and to run the experiments and view the results and submit the results, we use a web-based tool called LabWiki. And now I'm going to explain like 3 demos that we have. The first one is called data center routing. So what it does is basically this demo teaches, this assignment teaches students to visualize how their routing is done in real time at the data center. So how it is managed. So for this purpose, we used a 5-node topology where 2 are servers and 2 are clients, and one is a switch. With respect to clients, the number of servers is just abstracted. So, and this is done using any casting where all these servers have the same IP address. Now when the client make the simultaneous request, it will be routed to the different servers based on the algorithm that you use. It can be either round robin or random or whatever you have written. So basically what we do is we give a sort of template to the students where the students can implement certain functionalities, or you can implement the algorithm of routing. So from this, students will also learn how the packets are modified and sent to the servers, and they will also learn any casting. So this is all about the first assignment, and the second assignment is called multicasting. So this with this demo, like students will learn how multicasting is done in layer 2. So for this purpose, we took a 5-node topology where one is a server and 3 are clients, and the other one is a switch. So what basically it's done is the clients will subscribe if it wants to receive the packets from the server. So for this purpose, there will be different applications running on the server and the client. So the client will just send a join or leave message, and the server will validate the request and just add it to the list. And now what it basically does is when all the clients make a same request, instead of serving the different requests, it just replicates the packet and just sends to all the clients. So for this purpose, we used a layer 2 ping as the application. So this is all about the multicasting. And our third demo is the learning switch. In this thing, again we used 5-node topology where there are like 5 different nodes and 1 switch. So when a node wants to send a message to another node, the switch initially will not know the destination of the packet. So what it does is when it receives a packet from any node, it just flips the packet to all the nodes, and it just gets back all the destinations. So and it just stores in a database. And from now on, it knows like which node is located at which destination. So whenever another request comes from different nodes, it will just route it to the appropriate node based on the destination. And with this thing, students will learn how the learning switch functionality, learn about the learning switch functionality, and students will also learn how with different metrics to draw the graph using LabWiki. And I need to explain a little about LabWiki. LabWiki is a web-based tool where you can read the notes for the students, like you can give the lecture notes for the students, and you can write the scripts to run the experiments, and you can view the results of the graph. And from students' point of view, students can just submit the assignments, and that's it.